Hi everyone, so today we're going to be looking at deleting single rows and deleting everything in the table. So here we go. So today we're going to be looking at deleting rows from Sqlite table. So firstly, we're going to be looking at deleting single rows and then deleting everything. So we're going to look at deleting everything first and then deleting single rows. So here I've got try, accept, and finally again. Then I'm importing, creating my Sqlite connection, doing a drop statement, which we're going to use later. Then I've got create table if not exists. Then I'm executing it. Then I've got attendance record, which is basically a list, as you can see over here, and this is where it ends. So basically, you can learn more about lists in video number 10. So basically, the reason I've got these small brackets over here, so these basically specify the rows. So for example, this is one row. I've got my small bracket ending here. Then this is a second row. This is a third row, this is a fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, and so on, and I've got 12 rows. Then I've got a cur.execute many, so cursor.execute many, insert into attendance values. So I've got 6 question marks here, and each question mark is for one column over here. So I've got date, name, math, science, English, music. And then I've got, this is for date, then name, math, science, English, and music. Then comma attendance record. Then I'm committing it. Then I'm using the select statement and I'm selecting everything from attendance. Then I'm doing a cursor.fetchAll to fetch all the rows, and I'm running to see the number of rows. This is before deleting. Then here I'm doing the same fetchAll thing after deleting, and this is basically delete, what we're going to be doing first. Then I'm closing my cursor and doing the commit from my Sqlite connection. So basically when I run this, I get 12 and 0. So this 12 comes from here before I deleted, and then this 0 comes from here after I deleted. So this is basically happening because of this deleting. So basically I'm deleting everything here. So delete from attendance, then semicolon is the syntax for deleting everything. And after that, I'm obviously executing it. Now we're going to be looking at deleting single rows. So when I run this again, I've got 12 and 12, 24 and 24. This is because I'm not deleting anything, so it just keeps on going. So basically it goes in the 12's timetable because I'm trying to insert 12 in one go. Now I'm going to drop the table so that we can look at it again. So I'm going to run this now. So 12 and 12. So obviously it's going to keep on coming as 12 because I'm basically dropping the table, and since I'm inserting 12 rows, that's why I'm getting 12. Now I'm going to comment this. And now I'm going to uncomment this bit, so sorry about that. This and take this. Now I'm going to run it again. So successfully created Sqlite connection. Table created successfully, then 24 and then 22. Now run it again, so 34 and 33. So basically there's a ones difference because I'm deleting one row. If I run it again, 45 and 44. So 45 is when I've got all the rows, and then 44 is because I'm subtracting one row. So I'm getting one less row. So the syntax to do this is to do deleting is equal to delete from attendance, then where name is equal to Tyler. So Tyler is the name over here. So basically I'm taking away this entire row. So I'm basically saying goodbye to this row. Then if I change this, so if I want to use another column, for example, if I take math, and then if I take the attendance, so math has present, so I'm gonna put in present, then all the students who are present, it's gonna be taken away. So when I run this, 56 and 20. When I run it again, 32 and 24, and so on. So basically, I'm taking away the number of, so basically I'm taking away the students who have present in their name. So this is for math column. This is for math column. So basically column number 3 is for math. So all the students with present are going away. But for now, I think we should stick with name. Then if I say name is equal to present, then I'm getting 36, 36, 48, 48, because there is no such thing as present in the name column. So I think I'll just change it to another name now, which is Ruby. So Ruby is number 11 in my attendance list. So when I run it again, I'm gonna run it again. Yeah, 69 and 68.